Hello guys, this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get your 72-hour freedom challenge affiliate link. So first of all, you need to go to this link, givemefreedom.com/JV. After that, you will need to scroll way down to this part where it says log into your affiliate portal. And in this part, you can sign up for an account, right? Just put in your email, your first name and your password, and you click on these agree terms, and then you hit sign up. And once you have done that, make sure you confirm your email address, and then you can log in here. Once you sign up, you will see this message: to activate your account, please select a payout method. So you can select your PayPal method, and this is PayPal. Just select it, and after that you can put in your email, your PayPal email address over here. Then you need to hit save, and here you are done with the PR method. And then you can see there are dashboards, referral programs, reward payouts, assets, etc. And you need to scroll down and you will see your affiliate link over here, and you actually can change this part, your ID. Okay, I don't like it to be my name over here, so I can customize this link. Make sure you do it in the very beginning, because after that, if you already send the traffic to your affiliate link and then you change your mind, you want to change it, then it should be a problem, because you need to change everything everywhere you put your link. So make sure you change it right in the beginning. So for example, in my case, I need to think of an ID, so I will say get paid daily. How does it sound? Okay, just hit save to see if anyone got this link before. Okay, change this value. Okay, this okay, so daily income. Bam. Okay, so I can use this link from now on. So basically, this is your affiliate link. You can also use other landing page over here, as you can see. The free course of 72-hour challenge or teen page or checkout page, right? So just copy this link and then you can put it everywhere to drive traffic to your link. Alright, so I think it's everything. If you need any help, feel free to type anything in the comment section below. I'm really happy to help. And if you like my videos, please give it a like, a subscribe, so that I have more motivation to do more, to make more videos in the future. Thank you and bye bye.